Follow several CEOs for a week, like Professor Henry Mintzberg once did, and you will find they perform a variety of roles. Mintzberg concluded that managers perform three major roles on the job. 1. Informational roles. They gather and give information. This role can be divided into three sub-roles: monitor role, disseminator role, and spokesperson role. The second major role is the interpersonal role. They talk to people. This includes the sub-roles of the figurehead role, the leader role, and the liaison role. And finally, there's the decisional role. They make decisions. Sub-roles of this category are the entrepreneur role, the disturbance handler role, and the resource allocator role. First, let's look more closely at informational roles. General managers spend about 75% of their time communicating with other people. The monitor role involves seeking information to stay informed. The disseminator and spokesperson roles are just the opposite. The manager transmits information to others, both inside and outside of the organization. Interpersonal roles pertain to the human skills of relating to others. The figurehead role involves handling symbolic or ceremonial activities on behalf of the organization. A bank branch manager presenting employee awards is an example of a figurehead role. The leader role includes relationships with subordinates, including motivation, communication, and influence. The liaison role pertains to the development of information sources, both inside and outside of the organization. Decisional roles include the choices and actions managers must take. These roles often require conceptual as well as human skills. The entrepreneur role involves initiating change to achieve a future goal or vision. The disturbance handler role involves resolving conflicts. The resource allocator role pertains to decisions about how to assign people, time, equipment, and money to achieve the organization's goals. These roles and sub-roles interact in the real world of management.